How to scan Eventbrite tickets. Scanning Eventbrite tickets is a straightforward process using the Eventbrite Organizer app. Here's how you can do it. Open the app and log in or create an account that manages the event. Download the Eventbrite Organizer app on your mobile device. In the app, you can see three-dot line on the top left corner. Then choose the event option and select the event for which you want to scan tickets. Tap on Check-in or Scan Tickets to activate the scanning feature. The app will use your phone's camera as a scanner. Hold the camera over the QR code on the attendee's ticket. The app will automatically verify the ticket and mark the attendee as checked in. If a ticket can't be scanned, you can manually search for the attendee's name or email in the app and check them in. Thanks for watching.